Hello everyone. Today I am teaching you Christmas and New Year nail art design step by step guide. Number 1 design is Great Gets by Gold. Matte black and gold nails will always be a classic elegant combo. This particular look is easy to create at home with the help of striping tape, which you can order from Amazon or a craft store. Paint a gold shade all over your nails and wait for it to dry completely. Next, lay the tape where you'd like the gold hue to peek behind your black polish. Then paint the black polish on top of your striping tape. The next step is key to getting clean lines. Carefully remove your striping tape before the black nail polish has dried. The slightly wet polish ensures that there is no chipping as you remove the tape. Top the look off with a matte top coat and marvel at your work. Let's move to design number 2, pink golden glaze. For the minimalist, the take note of this beautiful manicure. It features a sheer gold chrome finish which you can request from your nail artist. When paired with perfectly shaped almond nails, you have got a winning set, one that will take you right through January 2. Design number 3, hypnotic swirls. Consider us fully hypnotized with this swirl design created by Hard as Nails Studio with a manicure like this. Your party trick for the night will be pointing your phone's flash toward your nail, dazzling every attendee with this shimmer. Let's move to design number 4, snowy opal stalactites. Take glazed donut nails to the next level with the epic stiletto shape and opal tone resistant finish. To get a manicure like Sadie Jordan's, you might want to make an appointment with professional who can create the perfectly shaped extensions. Next design is Seeing Stars. This study by Jazz Manicure is festive enough that it will see you from the holidays. Thank you very much for watching my video.